Hi everyone, today we have this platform called Keap, and this is the best business CRM and automation tool. Now before we begin, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well as exclusive bonuses onto the platform Keap. And now we can see currently basically this is a software for CRM and automation, so it is going to be having different type of workflow creating features. If you are aware of Zapier, it also have those automation and workflow creating systems, so it provides even more dynamic control over to your features that you want to create, like for example automation for. And you can see it have various other tools as well if you are looking for growth goals, and you can do that as well. Now the great thing about this platform is the solutions that it provides for different type of CRMs, like for example if you are a marketing or you are running a campaign, different type of email lead management, everything that you would like to do is available in here. In the organized system, you can see we have our small business automation, so it is going to be saving you. Let's say you want to automate your emailing system, it is going to be doing that. If you want to generate some reporting, it is also going to be doing that for you guys. So everything is kind of available onto this platform. You can see the reporting, how nice this looks, the dashboard. And if you just give a look to that, you have your home page, contacts. You can even add contacts onto the platform. You can have different type of scheduling, calendar section as well, so you can schedule different type of tasks. You have your comms for the chatting system, sales reporting, and marketing campaigns available there as well. So besides that, if you are looking for lifecycle automation, this is another feature that it offers. It is going to be making different type of frameworks for workflows that you conduct online. And the great thing about this is the service that it provides. It have amazing customer support. And yeah, so a lot of people are really loving the platform Keap. If you are unsure about its ratings and reviews on G2, let me just show you as well. Customizable, organized in a lot of features. Also you can see one of the best CRMs on the market, so you can give it a try to keep using the link in the description below. That will allow you to get extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.